The main reason to do that is if you get a blockage. So if you get a rock stuck in, you get blocked. The first thing you want to do is flick that one over to discharge. The other one is, you know, if you're sucking up a lot of heavy mud and slurry off that back hose and the hose is starting to get a bit heavy and it's not vacuuming like it should, obviously just put the hose to the side where you're not going to make a mess or back into the hole, and then just flick it over, just blow some of that mud out, and then go back to suction again, put some water in the hose, then blow it out again, and then start vacuuming again. So it's just going to clean all the hose out. You also want to do that at the end of the day, when you finish packing up. I can assure you by looking after the hoses, they're going to vac better, they're going to be lighter, and then they're going to extend the longevity of the hose, because if you don't clean them out and you get the mud and clay inside, it'll make the internal part of the hose all brittle and eventually just crack. So the truck's running, you've finished up for the day, you've been using this hose, it's full of mud, it's a bit heavy, you want to clean it out, so you just put it off to the side, into the grass somewhere, you blow that mud out, and then you get it, put it over here, open that water up, and take some water through the system. Not much, you don't have to use a lot, but just get a bit of water going through, put it down, blow it out again, probably do that twice. And then so when you put it away, it's just, the hose is going to be nice and clean.